Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gunjan's Review. Today I am super excited to share with you this amazing 3-tier utility trolley. Completely transform the way I organize my space. Whether you live in a small apartment or just need some extra storage, this cart is a game changer. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. It comes with 4 smooth rolling wheels, so you can easily move it around when you need to and keep it firmly in place when you don't. Let's talk about how you can use this cart in different parts of your home. In the living room, it's a perfect as a sofa side organizer. This cart is a game changer for keeping all your essentials with arm reach while you relax on the couch. Imagine this, you are watching your favorite show and everything you need is right here, neatly organized. As you can see, it fit perfectly between my sofa and the wall. It's a fantastic space-saving solution for those tight corners that usually go unused. Can also transform into an elegant makeup organizer. The top shelf can hold your most used product like brushes and petals, while the middle and bottom tier are ideal for skincare, hair tool or even your jewelry. Everything stay neat and organized, and the best of all, you can roll it right up to your vanity when you are getting ready. Also, you can load the cart with all your favorite snacks in the kitchen and then roll it into the living room for a movie night. Everything you need is right here in the one convenient place. Plus, if you are hosting a party or just having friends over, the cart can double as a mini snack station. This cart is fantastic solution for storing and serving snacks. All in all, this 3-tier utility cart is a fantastic storage solution that combines functionality, versatility and style. It makes my life so much more organized, and I genuinely believe it can do the same for you. Also, the most important thing, I bought it from IKEA for $40. I will leave all the detail in the description box below. If you found it helpful, then please like and subscribe for more review and lifestyle tips. Thank you for watching my video.